Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a jigsaw Sudoku in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, October the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, 4-star Sudoku, the binary, and it's time now for the jigsaw Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku number 9383. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot, 19 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. Double those numbers. And yeah, I don't think it's a 4-star puzzle. For 4-star puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. So maybe it's a 0-star or 1-star or 2 stars puzzle. Don't think it's a 4 stars. Well, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here's single box, there's single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual box? I see here dual box, there's dual box, contains the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those, 1 and 2. Cannot fill this yet. Here's same, the 1 and 2. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, this box can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Let me mark those 4 or a 5. Next question, do we have a quadra box? I see here 1 quadra box. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quadra box should be there. So the other 2 numbers should be the 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. More quadra boxes, let me see. No, only 1. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More L shapes. Let me see. Here another L shape. This box has the same number as that box. And here, rotated, this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2 or a 4 here. Then the following shape. How about the T shape? Let me draw this shape first. Yeah. This shape, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only 1 shape of this kind. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. So that box in this dual box should be the 2. Alright. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? This shape, let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. And the final shape, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. It's rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. All right. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me see. Well. These 3 boxes surround a 4 can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 4 there. That means that this box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be definitely a 5. Then these 2 boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Let me see. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be 2 anymore. We have a double 2 there. If I place 2 here, I cannot fit any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. Yeah. This box can be a 2, so 2 could be here, could be there then. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there then. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, we have a double 1 there, can be 2, we have a double 2 there, can be 3, should be a 4, and can be a 5, we have a 5 in the same area, yes, definitely a 4. Then, let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. This box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be there. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. And this one is connected with that box. Should be also 3. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 3. Is also connected with that box. Should be so 3. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Then, let me see. These 2 boxes can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area is supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So we saw a 5. Then, I think this box should be a 1. Because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1. 1 box left in this area for number 2. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be in this box, because then it's connected with that box, should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here in the same area. So not the solution, place the 1 there. The only place left the 1 is supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area, supposed to be here, is connected with that box, should be so 1. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and 3, 2 and 3. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those. 2 and 5, 2 and 5 is connected with that box, should be so 2 and 5. This box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area, supposed to be here, and I've eliminated here the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 digit left in this area for number 2. I've marked those two boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this triple box for numbers 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3. Cannot fill this yet. Alright. Well, these two boxes can be a 3. So 3 goes together with the 5 as a pair. That means that this box can be 3 and more. We have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, we have 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area. 3 and a 5, here 1, so 2 and a 4 are left. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, 2 goes there. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then, let me see. This box can be a 2. We have a 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So the only place left with 1 in this W area shape is supposed to be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. And I've eliminated here the 3, so the 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. Mark those two boxes with 1. We have a 1 now, so this can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for 4 in this area is supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1. We have a double 1 there. Can be 2. We have a double 2 there. Can be 3. Can be 4. We have a double 4 there. Yeah, 1 digit left. Number 5. 2 or a 4. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. This box should be a 4. Is connected with that box should be so 4. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. Let me mark those. These two boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left for numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Mark those two boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Then, this box can be a 5. So the 5 goes together with the 4 as a pair. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 5 and a 4, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Let me see. This box can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not the solution to place the 1 there. If I place the 1 here, then this box is connected with that box. Should be so 1. But we already have a 1 there. So not the solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left for the numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and 5. And so 3 and 5 is connected with that box 3 and 5. Alright. This box can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this L-shaped area is supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left for the 3 and a 5, 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 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 5 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this area for number 2. 3 and a 5, we have 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 and a 5, we have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Is connected with that box, should be so 5. 1 box left in this L-shaped area for number 3. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Told you, can it be a 4, can it be a 3, can it be 2? Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 15 minutes, so I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Friday. Yeah, it's weekend. Until then, bye bye for now.